Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a vegetable quiche in a small sheet pan. So this is a pan pie. How fun is that? Let's get started. For this recipe, you can use a pre-made pie crust from the store or you can make your own. I have a video on how to make a pie crust. The link to that video is in the description below. Here are the ingredients for this vegetable pan pie / quiche. We have some spinach, asparagus, an onion, Gruyere, and some pancetta. You want somewhere in between 3 to 3.5 cups of vegetables, and you just pick the ones that don't emit too much liquid. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of cubed pancetta. Cook until they are a little crispy. Once you see the pancetta dancing on the pan like this, you can add the onions. Everything is smelling so good right now. Let's go ahead and season this with salt and pepper. And give it a good stir before adding the asparagus. If the pan seems a little dry, don't worry, just add some water. Keep cooking for a minute until all the liquid has evaporated, like this. If you want an extra punch, you can add some garlic powder, but this is totally optional. With the spinach, you don't really need to cook it. Just let the residual heat in the pan wilt it down. Now let's move on to making the egg custard. We will use 4 eggs and 1 cup of heavy cream. And here, a little bit of nutmeg goes a long way. And don't forget to season the egg custard with salt. Before we put everything together, we'll need about 1 to 1.5 cup of Gruyere. Okay, it's time to put everything together. You want to spread everything evenly so it will cook evenly in the oven. This will go into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. I hope you all enjoyed this delicious pan pie recipe. If you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!